Welcome to the channel. I'm really happy you're here. Today I want to share something that changed the way I eat dessert, especially when I started working on my weight loss journey. I know what it feels like to crave something sweet late at night or after a meal, but then feel guilty after eating it. I wanted something that feels indulgent, tastes amazing, and still fits into a healthy routine. That's how I discovered this sugar-free Chia Tiramisu. It looks like dessert, tastes like dessert, but works like a healthy meal. It's high in protein, filled with fiber, and doesn't cause sugar crashes or cravings afterward.
We're using only 5 simple ingredients that are affordable and easy to find: chia seeds, milk or Greek yogurt, a natural sweetener like stevia or honey, strong coffee, and cocoa powder. No white sugar, no cream, no butter. Just real ingredients that help your body instead of harming it. Chia seeds are the star of this recipe. They are tiny, but they absorb liquid and expand, creating a pudding texture that keeps you full for hours. They are rich in fiber and omega-3 fats, meaning they keep your digestion moving and reduce hunger. Greek yogurt brings protein and creaminess, making the dessert feel luxurious without adding unnecessary calories.
To make it, start with a clean cup or jar. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Many people underestimate them, but once you understand how they work, you'll never look at them the same. When chia seeds meet liquid, they absorb up to 10 times their size and form a natural gel. This gel fills your stomach, slows digestion, and prevents overeating. Now pour in half a cup of milk or Greek yogurt. If you want a thicker, richer texture, go for Greek yogurt. If you want something lighter, low-fat milk is perfect. Then add your sweetener. Stevia or monk fruit keeps it completely sugar-free, but if you prefer something more natural, just add a bit of honey. You are still in control of the sweetness.
Mix thoroughly. This step matters. Take your time to stir until every chia seed is coated. If you skip this part, the chia will clump together and ruin the texture. Once everything is mixed, place the jar in the fridge for about 20 minutes. The short wait transforms the mixture into thick, creamy pudding. While it chills, we make the coffee cream. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of strong coffee with 2 spoons of yogurt. Mix until smooth. That coffee flavor gives the dessert its tiramisu soul without adding sugar or heavy cream. After the chia pudding has thickened, take your serving glass and begin assembling. Start by adding a beautiful layer of chia pudding at the bottom. Smooth the top gently, then add a layer of the coffee yogurt cream. If your glass allows, repeat the layers: chia, coffee cream, chia, coffee cream, until you reach the top. The layers look impressive, like something you would see in a cafe or dessert shop. Now, dust cocoa powder over the top. The moment the cocoa powder touches the creamy surface, the dessert transforms into tiramisu. Not the heavy sugary one we're used to, but one that leaves you feeling energized instead of sleepy.
And just like that, you're done. Take a moment to appreciate what you made, a dessert that supports your health instead of sabotaging it. Chia seeds keep you full. Greek yogurt gives you protein. Coffee gives flavor without calories. Cocoa adds depth. Everything works together. When you scoop into it, you get layers of creaminess and richness, a balance between silky yogurt, coffee aroma, and chocolate bitterness. It melts in your mouth. It satisfies the craving, but it doesn't leave you hungry or guilty. You can enjoy it as breakfast, a snack, or dessert. When I started replacing heavy snacks with this recipe, something surprising happened. I wasn't as hungry during the day. I stopped craving sugar. I felt lighter, more in control, and more consistent with my diet. This dessert is not just a recipe, it's a strategy, a way to enjoy food while improving your health.
a way to stay on track without feeling restricted. So, if you ever feel like dessert is the enemy, remember, sometimes you just need the right kind. Sugar-free desserts like this can help you manage cravings, avoid unnecessary calories, and still enjoy eating. You deserve food that makes you feel good, both during and after eating it.
If this recipe inspires you, save the video so you can make it later. More recipes are coming. Simple, delicious, and made for real people with real goals. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your healthy tiramisu, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy and tasty recipes.